Hey guys, welcome to the Droid Guy channel. How to fix HDMI sound not working on Windows PC. There have been several reports from Windows users wherein, when using HDMI, there is a video only but without a sound. As we all know, HDMI is a widely used technology for both audio and video streaming, but if HDMI has no sound, it can be a very frustrating experience. But lucky for you, we've got you covered. In this video, we have gathered several troubleshooting solutions that you can do to resolve this issue. But before we begin, we would appreciate it if you hit the like and subscribe button for more troubleshooting videos. First solution, make HDMI as default playback device. This issue frequently arises when a PC has multiple sound or graphics cards. To do this, type Control Panel at the search bar located at the lower left. Make sure View By is set to large icons or small icons. Then click on Sound. Next, at Playback tab, right? Click anywhere and check the options Show Disabled Devices and Show Disconnected Devices. But in here, I do not have an HDMI connected to my computer, so let's just assume that there is. Then, check the HDMI cable if it is disabled, right? Click on it, and then choose Enable from the drop-down menu. Now, click on the HDMI output device and select Set as Default. Then, click Apply to apply changes made, and then click OK to exit. Now, check if HDMI sound is already working. Second solution, run Audio Troubleshooter. There are several built-in troubleshooters on Windows used to address common issues. Among these is the Sound Troubleshooter, which assesses your sound hardware and software components to identify and will automatically fix them. To do this, click Start. Click Settings, an icon that looks like a gear. Click Update and Security, then click Troubleshoot at left pane. At right pane, click Additional Troubleshooters. Click Playing Audio. Click Run the Troubleshooter tab. Select which device you want to troubleshoot, then click Next. Then, choose to open or not audio enhancements. Windows will now detect problems. Next, follow the on-screen instructions if a fix is needed. If there are no problems found, click Close to exit. Check if HDMI sound is already working. Third solution, update drivers. There's a possibility that an outdated drivers can be the culprit for issues on your computer to occur. Make sure sound drivers are up to date to fix this. To do this, press Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open Run dialog box. At Run dialog box, type devmgmt.msc and press Enter, then click on Sound, Video and Game Controllers to expand it, then right-click on your Sound, Video and Game Controllers and then select Update Driver from the drop-down menu. Click Search automatically for drivers. Once drivers are already installed, click Close to exit. Now check if HDMI sound is already working. Fourth solution, Rollback Audio Driver. It is possible that audio drivers are not compatible with the latest update. Try to roll back driver to the version before you experience the issue of HDMI sound not working on your Windows PC. To do this, press Windows key plus R on your keyboard. At Run dialog box, type devmgmt.msc and press Enter. Then at Device Manager window, click Audio Inputs and Outputs to expand it. Right-click on the driver and then click Properties from the drop-down menu. At Properties window, click Driver tab. Then select Rollback Driver tab. If Rollback Driver is grayed out, it means no previous driver has been installed for that device on your computer. Click OK to exit. Now check if HDMI sound is already working. Fifth solution, enable all audio controllers. Audio controllers are used to automatically determine the system's audio behaviors. Make sure the audio controllers are not disabled. If not, enable it to prevent problems. To do this, press Windows key plus R on your keyboard. At Run dialog box, type devmgmt.msc and press Enter. Next, click System Devices to expand it. Now locate audio control such as High Definition Audio Controller, right-click on it and then select Properties from the drop-down menu. Next, click Driver tab. Now check if the driver is disabled. In here, the driver is already enabled. If disabled, click Enable Device. Click OK to confirm. Next, restart computer. Once computer completely reboots, check if HDMI sound is already working. Sixth solution, reinstall audio drivers. A new sound device may appear in your device manager under the sound section when you connect your HDMI. If drivers are malfunctioning, it can result to sound output issues. To fix this, uninstall the drivers, then restart your PC. Windows will automatically reinstall the correct drivers. To do this, press Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open Run box. At Runbox, type devmgmt.msc and press Enter. Then click on Sound, Video, and Game Controllers to expand it. Then right-click the problematic driver and then select Uninstall Device from the drop-down menu. Wait for the uninstall process to complete. Exit Device Manager window. Next, restart your computer. Once computer completely reboots, Windows will automatically detect and install available drivers. Then check if the issue still occurs. And that's it. I hope this guide has been helpful. Please support us by clicking like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more troubleshooting videos.